Evening. So I forgot to do an update on our little TDV8, world's cheapest D4 van, commercial for those who don't like it to be called a van. It's all up and running, doing well, being out and about on the roads. This is said van, still haven't changed the arch yet. Could do with a new pair of headlights, but yeah, little for what's under the bonnet. Still on the 2.7 brakes, all working lovely, sounding nice. We've changed the front seats in it for the sport front seats. Nice easy plug and play job. We even had it cleaned, and oh yeah, it's got the old son's quad bike in it because, well, it turned out handy today. So in terms of costs on this thing, and there she is there, lovely Nara bronze, nice TDV8 lump, everything standard, new inlets on it as we do, because, well, they're just shite and they do tend to go. Tailgate's all grafting, apart from I do really need to get a new little switch in there. And Chris is going to be pissed because that's his Milwaukee. Ready to put the handlebars back on that when I get it back out for the boy tomorrow. So yeah, in terms of costs, these things, not horrific if you're handy with the tools. We've proved now you can do this for, not including man hours unfortunately, but it can be done for a couple of grand. That Nara bronze thing was a cheap piece of shit that was given to us by the lovely Warwick Motor Company. Very, very cheap, with a dead engine. We've then went out, bought a sport, put a pair of blowers on it, pair of inlets on it, chucked it all together, and yeah, it works beautiful. Active cruise control, tailgate's working, seats are working, suspension's working, all-terrain response is working. Obviously there's a few niceties now to do to it to make it a nice van, but all in all it is a nice van. Drives well, bloody good to deal with the aircon running and all. But yeah, have a good Saturday, and if you want one, join the queue.